Hey, what's going on, my friends? It's your man Adam Ace Spencer here with another TaskRabbit video. Want to give a little motivation to those of you out there who are a little older. Maybe you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, or even 70 years old, and you are looking for a way to make more money. Well, TaskRabbit has no age limit. If you can do it, if you can provide good quality services, well, there might be an opportunity for you to make some pretty good money here on TaskRabbit. And as usual, I like to try to find these stories about taskers, regardless of where they are. Which in this story, we have Sylvia, who happens to be a handy woman for TaskRabbit, who is still building things at the age of 70 over in the UK. So some of you might not even know TaskRabbit is international. It's not just here in the US, not just here in Boston and all the major cities and whatnot, but TaskRabbit is international. And as you can see, Sylvia is still going strong, making money through TaskRabbit. And luckily, she heard about it through a choir teacher friend who had been listing their music tutoring services on TaskRabbit. So you can see a lot of times people look and think about TaskRabbit as a service or a platform to only do kind of general labor, kind of physical oriented jobs and tasks. But as you can see, music tutoring services, I mean, hey, the sky is the limit. If you have a service, if you have the skill set, I mean, TaskRabbit really does give you the opportunity to list or offer tons and dozens of different categories. And evidently, someone was able to make good, some money providing music tutoring services here on TaskRabbit. So soon after, Sylvia was made redundant from her job as a caseworker for a housing safety charity, and she needed to find a way to top up her income from her pension. Well, as Sylvia puts it, she wasn't ready to give up work and sit on a park bench all day. But she wasn't looking for a 9 to 5 either, as her previous job was focused on making safety inspections for electrical fixtures in homes. She figured handiwork would suit her. Now she specializes in electricals along with DIY and furniture assembly. This is how she makes her unusual setup work. So I'm not going to go into all of this. As you can see, she's been doing kind of electrical stuff since about 1994. So she has experience. It's not like she just, taught herself over the past day or month or weeks. But this is something that she has professional experience doing in the past. Why not bring it back, bring it to light, right? Put it to use. So the writer asked her this question here. I want to share it with you guys. Do you come up against stereotypes as a woman with people assuming you can't do DIY? She said, not usually. Most of my clients are women, and they are usually so pleased to have found a handy woman for the job. Of course, there is still stereotyping out there, but a lot less since I started back in the 90s. However, it is extremely useful to have colleagues who are there to help. I have two lovely male colleagues to assist me when I need an extra pair of hands on larger tasks. Being 70, sometimes I need it. And, I thought that was good that, we can hear this perspective as someone who's a tasker on TaskRabbit providing handy woman services and speaking about her experience from what it was like doing those type of things back in the day compared to what it is today. I'm sure there are some people that might feel a little uncomfortable, a little iffy, some women that are like, I don't know. Well, hey, we have Sylvia here who has been doing this type of work on TaskRabbit for some time now. And obviously has prior experience, but she says there's no complaints, no issues, and people aren't really stereotyping like they used to. So definitely seeing progress there, and something that should be more encouragement for those of you out there who are older or females who are questioning or hesitant to, try out TaskRabbit despite maybe hearing some positive feedback from others that are making solid money here. And lastly, I want to read this last question down here. What do you love about your job? She said, I love the freedom of being my own boss, as well as the clients I get to meet and the relationships I can build with them. TaskRabbit is the reason I've been able to keep my mind and body fit and love the flexibility and spontaneity that the platform gives me. Lastly, it's well paid and one never runs out of work in a place like London. When they asked her, is there anything you dislike? She said, it's physically quite demanding, and that gets harder with age. So I thought this was a motivational, encouraging story where we can hear about a female older TaskRabbit overseas in the UK who is doing pretty well. It sounds like she's killing it on TaskRabbit. And it's kind of, something that uh, it's cool to see that someone who is still motivated doesn't have to just stop. Sometimes people are in a position where your passion, think about like professional athletes where you get to a point where it's like you might still be all right, but should you keep playing? Like at some point, LeBron James, although he's still killing it right now, at some point he has to hang up the shoes and throw the towel in the ring and whatnot. But it's tough and you don't want to. So this is great to see like a compromise where she's able to still do something that she has experience and enjoys doing and can make solid money doing it as well. Definitely a cool story, great story, something I wanted to make sure to share with you guys, and something that, hey, you might have a relative, you might have a neighbor, someone who's older, and they might have some expertise or skills that you don't even know about, but maybe they're looking to make extra money. Mention TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit has dozens and dozens of different services that are provided here to not just, the moving jobs, the lifting heavy furniture, and the things that, I often speak about because those are things that I do, but obviously you can make pretty good money here on TaskRabbit providing other services as well. So, hey, I'm going to wrap it up there. If you guys found this video motivational or encouraging, definitely smash that like button. I do appreciate you guys watching. And of course, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest and upcoming video content. But all right, my friends, you already know what it is. I got to keep it moving, but I'll see you in the next video. Peace.